Hi yarnlings! Welcome back to another Teach Me Thursday video. If you are new to my channel, Teach Me Thursday is where I sit down with you guys and show you how to do a complicated stitch. Today we're going to learn how to do a invisible decrease stitch. For those that are returning to my channel, I appreciate you for supporting me, and let's get into the stitch. Today I'm using a 5mm hook and I'm going to work around in a circle. We're going to work with 5 single crochet and a magic circle. Next we're going to expand by adding 2 single crochet in every stitch around. Next we're going to increase one more time by doing 1 single crochet in one stitch and 2 single crochet in the next stitch. Now that we have our base, we're going to work on decreasing our stitches. So to use an invisible decrease stitch, you're going to work on the outer loops only. So instead of slipping under and going underneath both loops, you're going to work on the outer loops only. So you're going to grab one, and then you're going to carefully grab your crochet hook and go into the next one. So you should have 2 loops on your crochet hook. Next, you're going to yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over again, pull through the final 2. You should have 1 single crochet stitched into 2 single crochet for your decreasing stitch. Repeat again. Remember, work into the outer loop first. Don't yarn over. Carefully take your crochet hook, work into the second outer loop. You should have 2 loops on your crochet hook. Yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through 2 again. You notice how, because we're not decreasing or changing the stitch, we're just joining 2 single crochet together, the single crochet stitch looks normal even though we're decreasing. This is what makes it invisible. When working with an invisible decrease stitch, make sure you're mindful that you don't accidentally grab 2 stitches at once and you have 4 loops on your hook. Remember, you're only working with the outer loops. So 1 outer loop, 2 outer loops, yarn over, pull through 2, yarn over, pull through again. If you have any questions on how to use an invisible decrease stitch, feel free to leave a comment. Below. If you like this video, be sure to like this video. If you have a stitch you'd like for me to explain, feel free to leave a comment in the video below. I hope you guys enjoy this video, and I will catch you guys next time. Bye!